Well, what's going on, everyone? I hope you're doing well. As you see here, we've got some gold nuggets. These are from my Mammoth half ounce. And you can see that one is a nice specimen piece with the quartz. Line up there, but yeah, we've got our quartz showing in it. Hey, get back, stop it. Got kittens romping with the. And then we have our other little log piece there. Hey, y'all, stop it. You're shaking the tripod. And then this very cool piece. But you can see they're kind of dingy. So I was watching Dave this weekend cleaning his gold out in the desert. So I decided I would see if we could get these cleaned up. So here we got our scale, and I just passed it on calibration. So the big nugget weighs 3.49, right at 3.5 grams. The long one, 1.66, and then our smaller one there, 1.27. So we'll see if we lose any weight off of them after we clean them. So we've got the tumbler. We're going to put our little nuggets in there. We're going to use Dave's method of cola. That's what he used. He had a lot more gold, but it was all chunky stuff. And his original recipe called for some ammonia. So I don't know if he didn't have any of that with him in the field, but we do. So we're going to put in a splash of that to go with our cola. And I'm going to put the lid on this. I've never done this, so hopefully that won't it won't break up our specimen piece with the quartz in it. Tumbling around in here. I was watching Dave do this out there. He didn't even put a screw on his. He just put the thing in there and stuck it in the machine just like that. I'm thinking, it's full of gold. I'm thinking, damn, you're a lot braver than I am. Because I know there'd be that one time when it would not be secured. So there we are. And we've got our tumbler out over here. It's been a while since the baby ran. So we're just going to set it on there and tell it to go. And I'm going to set the timer for about 2 hours. And we'll see if it looks any different. That tumbler, man, it ran through several batches. And whenever I was buying it, I kept seeing all the reviews on how the belts would go. They'd lose the belt. It wouldn't even make it through one session, one tumble series, you know. And this thing is done. I've used, like I said, I used it a number of different times for many months. And it's the original belt still on it. And it's done great. It's the National Geographic. It came with a cool batch of stones to put in and polish it, and as well as an identification chart. So highly recommend just the basic hobby tumbler there too. I think it was like $50 maybe. So, but yeah, it's held up better than any of the ones I saw in reviews. So, all right, we'll be back and see how this looks. Been 2 hours. Hopefully my nugget hasn't turned to multiple crumbles. Well, I was saying, man, that's dark, but we had cola in there, so it's late. It's like a little after 11 then. Oh yeah, we've got some. You can see we've got some breakage there, for sure. But I knew that was a possibility. Well, I would say we definitely have some color added. Oh, some brightness. see the gold that it shed off. So actually, it looks like it exposed a bit more of the rock on there. That one that we lost, it took off a little bit of the pointiness there that was in the middle. It was a little more raised, and you can see a little bit of rock in that. There's still a lot of dark in this. I need to rinse it off. All right, well, I panned the little silt, like a mica and stuff that was in there, and the sand that shed off. And there's our gold that came off of it. And like I said, you can see that definitely the rock stands out better. Like I said, there's still some staining in that. I thought it would be a little brighter. I mean, it definitely is compared to what it was. But for a crystallized gold, I would think we could get a little brighter look on it. I don't remember what it was, but it's recorded. I got a general remembrance. We'll look at it though and compare it. So there's the big one, and it was like 3.5. 3.468, so I think it's still pretty close to the same. This is going to be the one, the last one's going to be the one we lose the most weight on. That was one that was 1.65, and it's pretty much stayed exactly the same as well. And this is the one that was like 1.25. Still got a little water weight to it. Yeah, see, that is our rest of our quarter. I think it was like 0.27. That's what all those little crumbles are there. And then that's what's left. So that's about right. So yeah, our big one pretty much stayed intact, even with the stone and the rock in it, and held together pretty well, as did our longer one. So, all right, well, I just wanted to check that out and see. Like I said, I could still use something else, I think, to get a little better shine on it. But not bad. Well, it's the next day, and I wasn't really happy with the tumble that I got off of these, polishing them up. So I went ahead and broke out a little chlorine bleach in my toothbrush and gave it a little extra polish there, and I think you can see it looks considerably brighter. Whitened up our quartz there a bit. I think made it for a much nicer looking piece. I didn't want to take all the staining out of it because you lose character on them whenever they're just totally bright shiny, and they weren't really coming out that way anyway. But I wasn't, like I said, I was pushing just to get a lot of the staining out and leave it in the grooves like that. And the same thing, our little piece there, you can see our quartz is coming through very nice on that one. So I think I didn't leave it in there for long. It's just a couple of minutes, and then, like I said, I went lightly with my toothbrush and got a nice little scrub on it. like I said, compared to how it looked last night. I think we see a lot more detail in it. That's a very cool gold nugget. I think I might actually put that one out up for sale just because. That's very cool. So, all right. Well, like I said, I think a little bit of the bleach and the toothbrush made a big difference on it. The tumble broke off a little bit off of this one, but that's okay. I expected that to have a little bit of it go. That's why I never did tumble my big 5-gram nugget there from Vendetta. Where is it? Because you see right there, it's got that little, well, it's kind of combined. It's got that little tiny joint right there that holds that nugget on the end, and I wasn't willing to have that break free in a tumbler, so I soaked it and did the same thing. I never used bleach on it. I used the ammonia soaking, but our other pieces there look very nice. There's our gold nugget sails, Mr. Minix, gold thumb, that beautiful Australian piece, and my big Vendetta nugget, my little. All right, well, there we go. Like I said, I'm a little happier with these now, and some of that crystallized mammoth gold, beautiful stuff.